Myself Naresh Kumar Reddy. I am from G. Reddy Engineering College. I am currently pursuing my BTech third year in Computer Science and Data Science. So this is the project is customer churn prediction. I have done this project in IIIT DMK, Kurnool, collaboration with Samsung, guided by Prasad sir. And this is the project is important, essential and important in the both service-based companies and product-based companies, because this customer churn prediction is the to churn prediction what is the behavior of the customer and whether customer is changed from our company to another company. So it is a customer churn means it is stopping of the business with our company over a given period of time. So it is very essential for both service based and product based. So in service based company it is uses like to reduce the customer churn we have going from our company to another company, and in product based company so to increasing the repeat purchasing. So this project is used, and this here the technologies used, I am using Python and Streamlit. Python is for data pre-processing and model building and analysis, and also Streamlit is used for creating user interfaces. And so here in the first cell I am importing necessary libraries for data pre-processing and visualization and machine learning. So here in first import NumPy as NP. So NumPy is used for numerical Python. It is arithmetic operations or array operations is done by NumPy, and Pandas is used for loading the data set to our Google Colab, and data manipulation and handling missing values. These are all done by this Pandas data frame. And Matplotlib and Seaborn is used for the data visualization. So it is very important visualizing the data. So vast amount of data is analyzing is very difficult. So we can easily visualize our data in the pie chart or histograms. It can easily understand and easy to analyze. And next, label encoder. Label encoder I am importing. It is used for the encoding categorical variables into integer variables. Because of machine learning, it is not understanding the categorical variables. That's why we can convert it into the numerical variables. And this is the three machine learning algorithms: decision tree classifier and random forest classifier and XGB classifier. So I am importing these three machine learning models. Why I am testing this project is which algorithm gives a best accuracy. So that algorithm I am using entire our project. And here SMOT. SMOT means I am importing SMOT. It is a synthetic minority oversampling technique. So if any imbalance is there, it is balanced. This Python library is balanced. For that one I am importing this one. And train, test, split and cross-val score. Train, test, split is used for predicting the unseen data. If we give the any unseen data, it can predict gives the result. And also cross-val score. This is the cross-validation score. It is important to reduce the overfitting. So that's why I am importing. And this is the metrics, accuracy score and confusion matrix, and also classification report. It is important to know how much our model gives the accuracy and all these things. And importing pickle. So pickle is the Python module used for the saving and loading objects like machine learning models and dictionaries. So it reduces the retraining the model. If we save the ML model once trained, we can use anytime. Importing that file into our Google Colab, we can easily use that model easily. That file. And here loading the customer churn data set. So by using pandas pd.read csv, I am importing this customer churn data set from the Kaggle. So here shape df.shape. It gives the number of rows and columns. Nearly 7043 rows are there and 21 columns is there. So here head gives the top 5 rows, and there is a 21 columns is there. So it is useful for whether customer is churn or not. Every columns is important and some columns are not important. So here customer ID is not important for predicting the customer is churn or not. So that's why I am deleting this customer ID in the next lines. And gender, so whether customer is a female or a male. So to know that this gender column. And senior citizen, whether the customer is the senior citizen or not. After 16 year over 16-year-old person is a senior citizen. Below the 16 years considered as a not a senior citizen. And partner and dependency, whether the customer is a partner and married wife or husband. And also dependent is the child is dependent on the mother and dad, mother and father. So that's here what we observe means senior citizen and families are stable because of they are loyal, they are less lower churn when compared to these singles or not a families. These guys are easily churn because of if the plan is not worth, they can easily churn. Whereas families and senior citizen are not churn. They are more reliable on our services. Tenure is the how many months back the customer use these our services. And phone services and multiple lines customers have lower churn because they are multiple service provide our company. So that's why they are multiple lines they can use, they are lower churn. And internet service and online internet service, and here DSL and fiber optic. DSL using here this is the low internet. So by who have using DSL, they are high to churn. And whereas in the fiber optic it is the high speed internet, that's why they are who have customer using fiber optic, they are lower churn. In the online security and device protection and tech support, this is the security purpose. So who have this security purpose is lower to churn. And streaming TV and streaming movies, these are all the entertainment, they are rely on our services. And contract, whether the customer is the month, 2 month and 1 year or 2 years. And payment and monthly charges. So if monthly charges is high, the customer is easily churn because of monthly charges is high. If it is not worth, they can easily sell to other company. And total charges means the tenure into monthly charges, how much it gives. So that is the total charges. And here it is the churn. This is the target label, whether churn or not. Now df.info, by using this code it gives the information about the data set. And here data type is object or integer or float value. And any null values are there, it gives null values. And also how many rows are there, nearly 7043 rows are there. So as I earlier said, this customer ID is not used for the predicting the churn. So that's why I am dropping this customer ID. And here we can see the customer ID is deleted successfully. And the df.columns, it gives the how many columns in our data set. And unique values, so in the gender, male and female are the unique. And it is essential to know how many unique values in the column. And here senior citizen, 0 and 1 is the unique values. So I can code for the all categorical variables for the unique values. And here total charges is the object. It is not a categorical variable. It is not a integer value. So but if I am give the unique values for the total charges, it gives the multiple values. Here you can see multiple values are there. So multiple values. Total charges is the float. Here it shows numbers, but in this one object. So that's why we can convert the object into the float values. So here it shows null, there is no null values, but if we execute this line, it gives the 11 null values. Here show 11 null values. So in the object, I mean in the string, if any empty string is there, it is not considered as the null values, because here you can see the tenure is 00, which means the customer is new for our services, our company, so not completed 1 month complete. So that's why the total charges is there, and also 11 null values is there. So we can replace with the 0 first of all, and next we can convert it into the float value. Here we can show the we can see the here the total charges is successfully converted into the float values. Here next, exploratory data analysis. So EDA is crucial for both data science and machine learning. So you understand data set before applying models. It involves summarizing and visualizing and interpreting, find patterns and trends of the and finding anomalies. Yes, this data set describe. It gives the descriptive statistics of our data set. Here shows count and mean value and max, these values. Here I can analyze the numerical feature analysis. So understand. So distribution of the numerical values is essential, whether it is distributed normally or skew or right skew or left skew. It is very important. So again, distributed represent plot in the histogram. So here there is a skew is there and in the table, and also monthly charges is also a skew is there. So I am using tree based algorithm, so that's why it is not important whether it is the normally distributed or skew distributed, but in the SVM, support vector mission and KNN, so it is essential to normal distribution the data. So that's why we converted into the standard scalar by using standard scalar normal distribution in that algorithms. But in the tree based algorithms it is not essential. And so I can also present these numerical features in the box plot. So it is very important, outliers, how many outliers, how data is distributed in the 25 quartile and 50 quartile and 75 quartile. It is very important. So that's why I am distributing, representing in the box plot total charges and month. And also I can analyze the categorical features also. Here the columns and also information. Here the count plots for the categorical variables. Here the how many variables are there, like yes or no. See, senior citizen. It is not a senior citizen. Nearly 5,000 are there, 5,500. If a senior citizen, nearly 1,000 is there. So in this way we can analyze categorical variables. And the next, all these categorical variables analysis by using count plot. And now label encoding. So convert categorical values into numerical values. So our ML model not understand directly text. So that's why we can convert into the numerical data. So here we can see the churn is converted into the 0 and 1s. Before this is the no and yes. Now after converting label encoding, it is converted into the 0 and 1. And now label encoding for the all categorical features. Now encoding these all the categorical variables and store it into the one encoder file, encoder dictionary. So all the encoded columns is saved into the one encoded dictionary. Here it shows one file is there. So I have saved in that one, saves the encoding rules. So same transform can be applied for the future data. If any future data is there. So that is all these uploaded, I mean label encoding categorical variables applied on that data also. And here encoders are there. And now we can see all these 0 and 1s. And so here tenure is not converted because it is already a integer value, that's why you cannot convert it that one. And also, and all is converted into 0 and 1s. Now correlation heat map. Correlation heat map. So it is essential to know what is the relationship between the two variables. So by using this correlation heat map, we can easily analyze what is the relationship between the two variables. There is a positive correlation and negative correlation and zero correlation are there. Positive correlation means if the one variable increases and another variable also increases. Now you can see the tenure and the total charges. If the tenure is the increases, the total charges is automatically increases because tenure into monthly charges is equals to total charges. That's why it is these two categorical these two variables are the positive correlation, and this is the negative correlation. If the tenure is high, the churn is low because customer is high monthly, I mean so many days back using this service, so it is low to churn. So this is the negative correlation. And now I am representing all this plotting into the box plot. Here we can see gender and gender versus churn. So there is not important this gender for the predicting churn or not, but and now tenure and churn. So here see you can see, and tenure is increases, the churn is low. Churn is low, and now you can also see monthly charges. If the monthly charges is high, the churn is high. I mean, the monthly charges is high. If customer is not worth it, so customer is easily shift to our company to another company. The churn is high. Okay, and also now we can train and test and split our data set by using these train, test, split. We can training and testing and split our data set. So here you can say trained values how many, nearly 5,634. So here they and also how many values are there. I mean there is imbalance is there. No churn is nearly 4,000 is there, and churn S is nearly 1,496. So that's why we convert, it is a imbalance. So that's why we can balance that by using SMOT. SMOT is synthetic minority oversampling technique. So it is adding sampling, minority samplings for the who have less values. So by using SMOT we can balance our data. Here and also resampling, by executing these steps we can balance our data set. Now we can see there is balance 4,132, both are balanced. And now model training. So I am training with the, first of all I am training by using 3 algorithms, and I am testing which algorithms gives a best accuracy. After that I am implementing entire project in that algorithm, I mean in that ML model only. Here again what is the cross validation score for the every algorithm, ML algorithm. So you can observe these random forest algorithms gives a best accuracy. That's why I am implementing entire project in the by using random forest algorithm. So CV score we can observe class, I mean in the CV cross validation I am give 5. So that's why in this one it gives the 5. So random forest observe all are best accuracy gives. And now higher accuracy default parameters random forest gives. And I am implementing random forest classifier by using I am implementing our entire project by using random forest classifier. Now I can train our data and evaluate So it is model evaluation important. So how the accuracy, and I can implement, I can represent this one is the confusion matrix. So here you can see it is the true negative, and this is the true positive 219. So it gives true values is high. So that we can, and also accuracy score is nearly 0.8 and 80%. Our model gives accuracy and classification report, and what is the precision and recall and F1 score and support it gives. And now we can save our trained model into one file. So whenever we want this file and load, save, build a predictive system. So whenever we want the prediction on the new data, so we can load our trained model into our column. We can easily predict that one. So we can, it reduce the retrained model and load the data set, and now print all these things, future names, or what is the futures of that one. So now we can give the input data, so whether it gives the customer is churn or not. So I can run this one. Here it gives the churn, the customer is churn because of the tenure is 2. I mean 2 months back customer is using our services, and also partner is no and dependents are no. So that's why it gives the churn is S. So if we give the tenure is high, nearly I am giving now 100. See output what it gives. So here it gives the no churn. It means the customer is long using our services long. I mean so many years. So that's why the customer is trust on our services. So it gives AIML model gives no churn. And now creative interactive interfaces, user interfaces by using this Streamlit. Now I am installing this Streamlit by using pip install Streamlit and PineBlock. This is the create secure tunnels to expose local services to the internet. And this is I am already installed this one, so that's why it gives the require already satisfied. So I am integrating because Gemini AI. Why I am integrating this Gemini AI to my customer churn prediction project. So it is explainable, understanding why customer is churn instead of whether it is no churn or only gives the churn or not. So it gives the why, what is the reasons, and also suggest custom offers and discounts. If customer is churn, so it gives the recommend offers and also discounts and all there. So and also interactive chatbot. If give the ask any questions of our data set, it gives the answers for that one also. By using this one generative AI, I am installing this Gemini AI to our Google Colab project. So here we can see all the list models, all the Gemini generative AI models is importing to our Google Colab, our project. Now I can run this one. I am already. And so this is the version. So Gemini 1.5 Pro. This is the version. So it is analyze the two complex questions and all these things. It is easily gives the answer for that one. So I upgrade that Google Gemini. It is installing. So it is already installed. That's why it gives required already satisfied. So I am testing whether it gives the correct answers for that our questions and all these things. So I am asking what is customer churn. I am giving the question. So it gives the answer for that one. Let's wait for a minute. Yes, here gives the response. Customer churn also known as a customer attrition. So it is the rate. So like that it is gives the answer for our questions. And also I am testing for another question. Hello Gemini. So it gives the how can I help today. So I am giving prompt, it gives the answer for that one. And this is the code for the streamlit, I mean user interface. What is the, I mean whether pie chart, all is integrating to our user interface. This is the code for that one. And importing that, I mean I am giving the data set to the our user interface. This code is for that one. And also head, it gives the top 5 rows and I am copy that password, whatever the tunnel password in this one. So click to something. So now just wait for me. Now I am uploading our data set to this one, customer churn. So it is analysis. It is the yes. So this is the top 5 rows, and nearly 5,000 people are no churn. So 5,000 people are with our company. There is no churn, and nearly 800. These people are ready to churn to other company, and so these I mean no churn people are high. So what is the reason for that one? So what is the contribute for to no churn? So long tenure. So who have the using our services long months back? So that people are no to churn. So that's why it is gives 23%, and also low monthly charges. If our services is low monthly charges, so customer is with us, and also bank transfer and our credit card payments. So it is automatically credit to our bank to the customer bank to contributing more for no churn. So if I am asking any question for about data set, so here ask AI questions based on our data set. So I am prompt how many rows in my data set. So it gives nearly 7,043 on there. So yes, the data set has 7,043, and also I am giving another prompt. How many columns are there? So gives yes, 21 columns. And if also ask recommendation for the churning people, it gives the loyal coupons due to the customer. The customer is retained to our services and all these things. So integrating Gemini AI is important to nowadays. So it creates a business impact to integrating this Gemini AI to my project. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.